Hey guys, this is Spencer from Buildapreneur, and I want to give kind of a teaser video about how I'm doing so well as a ClickFunnels affiliate. I've had a lot of people reach out to me and kind of ask about my course. A lot of people asking for just a little tidbit of my course so they can see what kind of stuff I teach, or just asking me how I do so well as a ClickFunnels affiliate. As you're seeing on the screen here, I signed up for ClickFunnels 3 or 4 months ago, or I signed up for the ClickFunnels affiliate program 3 or 4 months ago. And as you can see here, I've made $20,000 since I signed up. I made $158 today alone, $193 yesterday, 102 the day before, 137 the day before that, 491 the day before that. What a day, huh? And so I've done very well on the ClickFunnels affiliate program. As you can see right here, I have $2,155 in monthly recurring revenue coming in. Lots of good things happening. And I want to share a little tidbit, kind of the most important thing that I think I've been doing that's been able to kind of propel me to this ClickFunnels success. And what that is that's actually email addresses. So the first thing is I know my numbers. Okay, so I look at ClickFunnels and I understand one thing. I understand they have a sticky cookie that if I can get someone anywhere into a ClickFunnels funnel, I'll be able to pocket 40% of everything they buy after that, right? So I don't need to send someone to a $400 product. I don't need to send them to Funnel Scripts or Funnel University or even ClickFunnels itself to start, okay? I just need to send people to something small, and ClickFunnels will upsell them, And so what I've been doing is I send people to Expert Secrets. And I talk a lot more about kind of what I'm doing in my course as far as traffic and stuff, but I want you to see how this works. So I send people to Expert Secrets. This is the Expert Secrets funnel right here. Okay. Now, when they go in, a certain percentage buys Expert Secrets. And I'm trying to think, it's probably about 10-15% of people that buy Expert Secrets. Now I get $1 there, right? So that's not that great. I make $1. I definitely spent more than $1 to get them there. But if you look here, this is all in the Expert Secrets funnel. So after they buy Expert Secrets, then ClickFunnels upsells them, and it upsells them like mad. Okay. So in the last 7 days, I've had 48 people buy Expert Secrets. Now, I would have made $62 if that was the end of it, right? And that would not have covered the cost of my ads. But look here, those people in the ClickFunnels funnel, those people in the Expert Secrets funnel bought more. So 7 people this week bought .com Secrets and the Expert Secrets audiobook. That made me $130. 2 people bought Expert Evolution. That made me $150. 13 people bought the black box. That made me $218 for a grand total of $570. Okay, so out of the maybe 60, it's looking like about 60 or 70 people that I sent to ClickFunnels or that I sent to Expert Secrets that purchased, I actually made $570, which means I'm making $8 to $10 for every user that I can get just to buy that Expert Secrets book. Okay, so what that means is I can spend $8 to $10 on ads and be fine, because they're going to spend on average $8 to $10, or I'm going to make $8 to $10 on average for everybody that I send into this Expert Secrets funnel. And the reason I'm okay with that, the reason I'm still okay breaking even, if I spend $8 to $10 and I only make $8 to $10 off them originally, is the sticky cookie. So the sticky cookie stays in their computer, right? And those people, they're going to buy the Expert Secrets book. These people that bought Expert Evolution and the black box, they're going to read about ClickFunnels. They're going to hear about ClickFunnels. Russell's going to email them about ClickFunnels. And eventually, a lot of them are going to sign up for ClickFunnels. And if you need proof of that, 2155 people, or 2155 every single month is how much I'm making off people that are staying with ClickFunnels. If you're familiar with the free car promo that they're constantly advertising here, I've got 44 active members. There goes that car. I'm almost halfway there, right? And this is just since April. And so this works well, and that's the first step in what I'm doing. The second thing I'm doing is not only is ClickFunnels emailing and upselling these people after they buy the Expert Secrets book, but ClickFunnels gives you the email addresses when you click Commission Details. It gives you the email addresses, the people that buy under you, and no other affiliate program that I know of does that. That's huge. They give you email addresses, and email addresses are so big, right? People are spending $2 for every email address today in cost per acquisition on Facebook. And so these email addresses, you can do lots of things with them. The first thing I do is I actually email them all from my personal email account. So I have a program called Yet Another Mail Merge that I use, and I can mass email these people. And I email them and I let them know that, hey, you purchased under my affiliate link, whether you know it or not. Sometimes they don't know it because they've clicked an ad or something like that. And I say, you purchased under my affiliate link. I'm here to help you. You clearly have a goal as an entrepreneur. And there's a variety of goals that could be, but I want to help you. If you're not using ClickFunnels, I'd love to talk to you about it. I'd love to help you get started with it. I'd love to do lots of different things, to help you kind of get where you're going for free. And a large number of these people will reply and say, yeah, I'm just getting started with all this. I barely understand what ClickFunnels is. I kind of see the stuff, but it doesn't really make sense to me. I'm thinking of signing up, but I don't understand this, things like that. And so I email these people and I'm able to make a connection and I'm able to talk to them. And a lot of these people are on the edge about buying other ClickFunnels products, and I'm able to convince them to kind of go past that. I'm able to get them into different email lists where I can actually start automatically emailing them because they've subscribed to email lists from that point on as well. And then the very last thing I do is I take these same email addresses and I throw them into Facebook and I run ads to these people. These are people that I know bought Expert Secrets. They know what ClickFunnels is. They know what these other products are, Funnel University and stuff, and I'm able to run ads directly to them and see a very high percentage of them click through and buy other ClickFunnels products because I can run ads directly to them, right? And the second thing I do is I use these email addresses to create a lookalike audience. And I create a lookalike audience with these email addresses of people that Facebook seems to think are also going to like this. And those lookalike audiences kill it as well. Okay, so those are the main 3 strategies that I'm using with ClickFunnels. I teach a lot more about it in my ClickFunnels course that you're going to see down below. Okay, so there's a link down below to my course. Guys, this course is an incredible deal. People are charging thousands of dollars for courses like this, and I charge nothing near that. So there's a link down below. You can get the course. I teach you all the affiliate secrets, everything that I do, not only to succeed with ClickFunnels, but how I succeed as an affiliate in general, because ClickFunnels is not my only affiliate program. So once again, link down below. Significant discount, guys, a very significant discount. Hope to see you in the course. Thanks so much.